Now let me show you this amazing automation. So here I'm going to send a message to my Telegram group, and you will see that this message will instantly appear on my Discord channel too. So right here you can see that I'm receiving the same message in my Discord channel as well. So now in this video I'm going to show you how you can create this exact automation, by using which the moment a message posted on your Telegram channel or group, it instantly appears on your Discord server without you even lifting a finger. So no copy pasting and no switching between multiple applications. And I'm going to create this amazing automation by using an automation tool that is Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an all-in-one automation tool that integrates varieties of applications and automate your whole business. So right here I'm going to integrate Telegram with the Discord for sending the Telegram messages to the Discord server instantly. So now let me show you the process of creating this amazing automation. And for that you have to move towards the workflow page of Pabbly Connect, which can be seen over here. So this is the most important window where we are going to create our automation. And this automation is going to be very beneficial whether you are managing communities, sharing update across platforms, or simply want to keep everything synced and without manual efforts. So if you are an existing user, then you definitely know how to get onto this page. But if you are a new user to the Pabbly Connect, then you have to access it by opening the new tab and typing its URL, that is pabbly.com/connect. And once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly, where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging your account over the Pabbly Connect first time, then you can just click over the sign up free. And if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Connect, you get 100 free tasks every month for practicing and exploring Pabbly Connect. Means you're getting a chance for creating this automation and testing it inside Pabbly Connect for freely now. And if you are an existing user like me, then you can just click over the sign in. And if you like this automation and want to create it for your business too, then I have bought this amazing offer for you. So right on the screen you can see this discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use this discount coupon code before buying any of our Pabbly product. But I will suggest you to firstly try out our Pabbly Chat Flow, Pabbly Connect, and many more amazing applications provided by Pabbly, and afterwards you can proceed towards the subscription plans. Now let's move on towards the workflow page, where we are getting this option for adding the trigger. And now you might be wondering, what is this trigger? So Pabbly Connect basically works on two principles. First one is the trigger and second one is the action. So trigger defines the application which is going to initiate our workflow. So in this case I want to initiate my workflow as soon as I receive or send a new message over my Telegram channel. So here I will be selecting my trigger application as Telegram. So now let me search for it, and you can select the trigger application according to the workflow you are creating. And right here you can see that I'm getting this application, so I'm going to select it. Now let's select the app event as set webhook watch updates. Now let's click over this connect button. And right here I'm on the connection page, where if you want to use your existing connection, then you can select this button of existing connection. And for building a new connection, you just have to click over this add new connection, and here you have to enter the token. And for getting the token, let's move on towards my Telegram account with me. So right here I'm on my Telegram account, where I'm going to search for the bot father. So now let me search for it, and here you can see that I'm getting it. So I have selected it, and now I'm going to just start it over here. Now as we are going to create a new bot, so I'm going to just click over this new bot, and as I have selected it, it is asking me to choose a name for my bot. So here I'm going to enter it as updates 1-2, and as I have entered this name, I'm getting a message which says it must be and in bot. So here I'm going to enter this name with the ending bot. So here I'm going to just provide it. And here you can see that my bot has been successfully created. And here we are getting this access token, which I'm going to copy and paste over the Pabbly Connect for building the connection. So now here I'm going to enter this token. Now we just have to click over the save button. And right here you can see that my connection has been built in. Now we just have to click over the save and send test request. And right here you can see its status is changed to waiting for webhook response. Now for providing the webhook response, we have to do the test submission. Means we have to receive a new message over our Telegram group. So for that, let's move on towards my Telegram but as of now I don't have added this particular bot to any of the chat or the group. So I'm going to add it to the new particular group named as chat group. So here I'm going to add a new member. So here I'm adding this particular bot to this particular group, and right here you can see I have added it. Now I have to provide the admin permission to this particular bot. So now I'm going to do it over my mobile phone. So right here I have provided the admin permission to this particular particular bot, that is updates12, and now this bot can send messages. And now I'm going to send this message to this particular group so that a test data can be fetched by the Pabbly Connect. So here in my Pabbly Connect, you can see I'm successfully receiving this response, and this response consists of the message which I have recently sent to this particular group. And here you can see the rest of the details, and as we have received the response, this shows that we have successfully integrated our trigger app. And now as soon as someone will enter the message over this particular group, the data will be automatically fetched by Pabbly Connect. And now I'm going to use this response to send a channel message to my Discord. So for that, we just have to click over this add new actions tab button, and here I'm going to search for my action application, that is going to be the Discord. And here you can see that I'm getting this application, so I have selected it. Now let's select the app event as send channel message markdown. Now we just have to click over this connect button, and right here it is asking me to enter the webhook URL. So for getting this webhook URL, let's move on towards my Discord account. So right here I'm on my Discord account, and on this particular channel named as Telegram updates, where I'm going to just select this option of settings, and right here I'm on this page where you have to select this integrations given over the sidebar. And now here I have already created a webhook, and now I'm going to add a new webhook. So here I'm going to provide the webhook name as Telegram, and now I'm going to copy the webhook URL which I have recently received, and now we just have to paste it over the Pabbly Connect. So here I have entered the webhook URL, and now it is asking me to enter the message which I want to send to this particular channel. So here I'm going to enter the message which I have recently received over my Telegram group. And now you might be thinking that I'm going to manually copy and paste that message again over here, but no, I'm not going to do so, because Pabbly Connect provides me a method by using which I don't have to manually copy and paste the data or type the data again and again, and that method is mapping. Now you might be wondering, what is this mapping? So mapping is basically inserting the data from the previous step so that you don't have to enter your values again and again, as mapping makes the field dynamic. So here I'm going to map the message which I have recently received over the Telegram bot, which is my previous application. And the process of mapping is simple. You just have to select the field which you want to map, and you have to select this slash symbol, and here we are getting a previous application, that is Telegram bot. So here I'm going to map the message which I have recently received. Now we just have to click over the save and send test request, as these fields are not necessary. And as I have clicked over here, I'm getting this positive response which demonstrates that a message might be sent to my Discord channel. So now let's move on towards my Discord channel. So right here you can see I'm successfully receiving this message over this particular channel named as Telegram updates. So now you have seen this amazing automation by using which you can add your Telegram messages to Discord instantly, and you don't have to do anything manually, because this automation is going to do so. So now you can also create this amazing automation for any business you are running, whether it's any service-based business or any online business where you want to add your Telegram updates to Discord without even typing a single message. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Connect now, and I have provided the link of the workflow which I have recently created in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And if you face any doubts or challenges, then don't forget to mention it in the comment section, and make sure to use the coupon code STUYT before buying any of our Pabbly product. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this integration, you can build many more amazing automations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to explore pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then like, share and subscribe our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.